Hello gang out there. You want to learn about machining stuff, building stuff? Check out Mr. Pete's YouTube channel. I put in the description his playlist as well as his channel. So check it out. You can make all kinds of stuff and learn a lot too. All about different things, you know? Like I learned a lot from Mr. Pete's YouTube channel. I guess you call this a portable lathe, huh? Carry it around with you. Okay, check it out. Mr. Pete YouTube channel and playlist for machining stuff like I do.